A on Wednesday filed a charge sheet against 3 cadres of the banned People's Liberation Army (PLA) outfit in connection with last year's ambush on an Assam Rifles vehicle in Nambol area, in which 2 paramilitary personnel were killed. The charge sheet filed before the NIA Special Court in Imphal names the 3 accused under various provisions of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita (BNS), the Arms Act, the Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act, the Explosive Substances Act, and the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 UAPA. The accused have been identified as Thongram Sadananda Singh alias Ngachik alias Purakpa, Khundongbam Oji Maitai alias Kailal, and Irengbam Jugindro Maitai alias Jugin Maitai, all residents of Manipur. They had been arrested earlier by law enforcement agencies. It may be mentioned that the attack on an Assam Rifles truck took place on September 19 of 2025 at Nambol Sabal Leikai in Bishnupur district. According to investigators, the ambush was carried out by PLA cadres as part of a larger conspiracy to spread terror among the public and wage war against the government with the aim of destabilizing the country. NIA investigations revealed that on the day of the incident, armed PLA cadres equipped with prohibited firearms and explosive materials had assembled at the Nambol Sabal Leikai crossing and launched a coordinated ambush on the truck. The vehicle was severely damaged in the attack, which resulted in the deaths of 2 Assam Rifles personnel and left 5 others grievously injured.